बोलते हुए विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस शंकर ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान के साथ निर्बाध बातचीत का दौर खत्म हो गया है। उन्होंने कहा कि जहां तक जम्मू कश्मीर का सवाल है, अनुच्छेद 370 समाप्त हो चुका है।
So let me say this. I think the era of uninterrupted dialogue with Pakistan is over. Actions have consequences, and insofar as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, I think 370 is done. So the issue today is what kind of relationship can we possibly contemplate with Pakistan. Rajiv suggests that perhaps India is content to continue at the current level of relationship. Maybe yes, maybe no. What I do want to say is we are not passive, and whether events take a positive or a negative direction, either way we will react to it.